Hi everyone, you are welcome once again to this video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching us on how to make how to construct a funnel. We have a question here and the question says we should construct the funnel below using the given specification. These are the specifications given and this is the funnel. Okay, the top diameter is 50, the bottom diameter here is 20, and we are given this height of the funnel. Now you see this this top of the funnel is not going to be a perfect circle, so we are not going to be using our compass to draw that. We are going to be using isometric circle. So I'm going to be constructing isometric circle first, and you see this part here, they are all isometric circle. Okay, half isometric circle that we have here. So very quickly we construct the isometric circle. If you don't really know how to do isometric circle, you can visit my video. I made a video on that, how to draw isometric circle. I really explain in detail on how to draw isometric circle. We have the transfer method, we have the parallelogram or rhombus method. We also have the approximation method. Okay, so from here now pick a point here on this line, any point of my choice. Then I'm going to draw a perpendicular line this way. Then let me drop the line further because we will need the line later. So you drop it this way. Then I will draw isometric axis. Okay, from here. So from this point here, make sure it's straight here. Okay, then we have this. Then put it like this using our 30-degree set square. I'll draw another, produce another isometric axis at this point here, this way. Okay, so we are given the top diameter to be 50, so I'm making isometric axis first. Isometric square. So I will take 15. This is 50. Okay, so I'll place here, make an arc this way, make an arc this way. Then at this point now, make an arc like this. Then from here, make an intersecting arc that way. Then I'm going to connect this way, then connect for this other side. So this is going to give us our isometric square. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I will join the longest diagonal. Okay, this is the longest diagonal. Connect them this way. Okay, then I will take half of this side. That will give us 2.5. That's the radius. Okay, pick the radius for this side as well. That is 2.5, like this, 2.5. Okay, so I will connect from this top to this point here. Okay, then for this other side, from this base bottom to this top, then point this way. Okay, I hope you can see this. So the next thing I'm going to do now to complete our isometric circle, now from this point, now you can see where the longest diagonal intersects with this line. Then I will needle on that point. Stretch to the point, this point. Then I will draw until it touches the side of this, like this. Okay, you see that side. Then I will use the same compass radius this way. So it's going to connect with this way. Okay, so you can see where it touches that. Then the next one, place at this top now, stretch to this part, which is going to connect with this. You have that. Then move to this side now, from this top now, with the same compass radius. Then you have this. Okay, so this is my isometric circle. So all I need to do now is to thicken it out. I will thicken it out now with my pencil. You can use a pencil to do that. Just thick it out to make it more clearer. So I'm going to quickly do that now. So I've been able to thicken that isometric circle out now offline, so which is forming the top now, that with the top diameter. Okay, so the next thing I will do now, I want to draw for this base. Okay, so I'm going to take the height now. So we have the height as 75. Okay, and we have a breakage here. Okay, this link upside, which is 40. So let me just pick the whole height there, 75. So this is my 40 and this is 75. Okay, so this is our 75 now. So the next thing I'm going to do from that point, I'm going to draw a horizontal line that way. Okay, like that. So here, this 75 now, this where this 75 stop is the center of the isometric circle at the base. Okay, do not make mistakes, the center. So what I'm going to do, and we're giving the diameter for the bottom part to be 20. So what I'm going to do now is this. I will just take that 20, so that will be 10 up this way, then 10 down, which is 20. I hope you can see this. Okay, so you have to be careful doing that. Then the next one you will do now, I'm going to draw a horizontal line at that point now. So this way, then draw for the top as well. Okay, this way. Okay, so we have it that way. So I will draw my receding lines at angle 30. Then from this point here, produce the receding line this way. Then move your set square this way, draw the other receding line. Okay, so you have it this way. All right, so this is going to be the other point. So all I just need to do is to use my ruler here now without the set square. So just draw this line now. Okay, then draw this other side. Okay, so you have this now. Okay, you will see this is our 20. So I'm going to pick half of it, just like I did for this top. So this will be 10. Then pick 10 here also, the radius. Okay, so this is 10. So what I will do now, just like I did for the top there, so I'm going to produce a line from here, just like we have this line. So I'll produce a line from here now, which will connect with this way. Hope you can see that. Then I'll connect a line just like we did here. So I'm repeating the same isometric circle for the bottom, just that the diameter is different. Okay, so we have this way. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to needle at this point here, just like we have for this as well. So I'm going to draw from this point. Now take it to this point here. So I will draw my arc until it touches this point here. As you can see, the same compass radius. Okay, move it here, produce the same thing. This way. I hope you can see this now. So you have that now. So the next thing I'm going to do, then fix it here, stretch to this part, okay, which will connect with that. Okay, then come to this top, bottom, to draw for the top the same compass length, which will give us this. Okay, so the next thing for me now is to tick it out now. I'm going to tick it out now, but when we want to tick this out now, we are only concentrating on the bottom on this side. We are not going to tick out for this other side because we are not going to be seeing it. Okay, so I will just tick out this, the same procedure. Okay, I just repeat it, but I will not tick out everything, this isometric circle that I have here. So I've been able to do that offline now, as you can see. So we just take out this to this part here. So using the same procedure we use in drawing the two isometric circle. Okay, that is just it. There's nothing different from that. So all right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to be drawing for this. I will draw this height now. So I just put my set square this way. Move it to this part here, produce the line up, then come to this other part now, produce the line up. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to pick the line from here, not here. Okay, so let's remove this bit from here. All right, so we can now project this line up this way. Okay, so we have that now. So we have for this side now, I want to draw this side now. So it is the same thing. So all I'm just going to be doing, I'm going to be transferring what we'll have here. I will transfer it to this side. So that is very easy to do. Okay, that's very easy to do. So I will draw this horizontal line, which is the center of that bridge we have there, this side. Okay, so I'm just want to transfer this. So I will take note of this point and these 2 points here. I will project the line, a line up from those points. From those points, project a line up, then come to this other side, project another line up this way. I hope you can see that now. Okay, so we see this line as we project them up now. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do now. I'm going to pick this top now, which is going to be 1. Okay, and this, so I will transfer to this side, or you just measure 1 centimeter up, 1 centimeter down this way. Okay, I hope you can see that now. So just like we have like this, so you can produce a line. Let me draw that with my T-square. And produce a line this way, produce another line this way. Okay, I hope we can see these 2 lines now. So this point here, from this point here now, so you can, this point here, okay, which is a replica of this. Okay, so I'm going to draw receding line, so which I'm going to draw a parallel line. So I'll just slide my set square until it gets to this point now. I hope we are following. Okay, so just slide until it gets to this point now. This point we are having here, so to get this. Okay, I hope you are getting that now. So the same thing for this other side as well. So we're going to have, so just move it move it to the top. Okay, this is for the base. Then get to the top, then move it like this. Okay, I hope you can see this now. That is for both this side and this side. Okay, so you can, if you like, you can produce another one on like this. So from here now, this is the receding line for this part here now, for this bridge here. So this is the receding line now. So just like we did for this side where we pick half of it, the radius. So I will come this way as well. I'm going to pick the radius, that is 1 will be the radius. Okay, so which is this. Okay, I hope you can see that. So it is from here now. I'm going to connect a line from this top now. Connect a line to this. Okay, just the same procedure. Okay, so you have it this way. Oh, okay, I hope you can see that. Then the same thing I'm going to do for this other side. Okay, for this receding line I drew earlier. Okay, so I will pick 1 as well. So this is the 1. Okay, then from this base now I will draw a line to it. Okay, I hope you can see that now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, from this diagonal, you can see this is the diagonal, which is the center line. So I'll needle on this point now. I'm going to draw to this point now. I will draw an arc this way, so I don't need to draw it complete. So I just need this down, just this down. Okay, so the same thing I will do for this side. Okay, so I will need to draw this complete like that because I don't need the top, so I'll use the top to draw for this base here. Okay, I hope you can see that. Then we'll needle on this top now of it, then stretch to this, which will produce this, which is for the base, the part we need. So I will just need to take it out now. So now the next thing I will do now, just to draw the finishing. So this, take aside this, this side this way. This part here. So this completes the construction of the funnel with the given specification. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. I promise to bring you more solution to technical drawing. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.